Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So let us see our advanced MST iCore 2.0 advanced trading system. We are calling this as a system because most of the people they lose money in the market because they are not following any system. So that is the issue. So now we have developed one system and we have been following the same system for a couple of years and we have found very good result. Though this channel is only for educational purpose, if you are properly educated and then if you are diving into trading, there is very minimal possibility of losing your capital. But maximum possibility is to gain the profit. So as per SEBI regulations, we are supposed to say this disclaimer, we are not SEBI registered and we are not giving any trading recommendation. All these are only for educational purpose. Before you put your money in the live market, please consult with your financial advisor. Okay, now coming back to our session. So if you have subscribed already to our indicator, go to indicator, then it will be available in favorites, otherwise in the invite only scripts. Now select MST iCore 2.0. Just one click is enough. Automatically it will be coming to your chart. Now what you do? Just enlarge this and you can keep it in default settings. You can keep it in default settings. Our strategy is very simple. This is a 4-line strategy. This is a 4-line strategy. I have been explained to you so many number of times in most of my videos. So if you have not watched our previous video, you don't have to watch any of our previous video. This video alone will be enough for you because I will be covering from the scratch. So what are the 4 lines? So this is the first 2 line and this is the first 2 line. So this one we call it as sell zone. Okay, this we call it as sell zone. So this we calling as the sell zone. Similarly, here this we are calling it as buy zone. I am changing to green. Okay, now this is the buy zone. So we have only sell zone and we have only buy zone. So what do you have to do? So you can keep in any time frame. So I'm keeping in 1 minute time frame, or I can keep in 30 seconds also because I'm a premium user. So I'm using 30 seconds. I'm converting into 30 seconds now. Now what to do when the market has been opened? When the market has been opened, and for NSE market we are advised to keep it in 360-degree time frame. Okay, I'm enlarging this. Where is the eraser? Drawing tool. Okay, can I find any eraser here? No. Okay, I will replay this bar replay. So I'm keeping in the 9:15 time frame. So which means what? Market is not yet opened. Market is not yet open. It is about to open. Now we are going back using time machine. We are going back. So now I'm playing this market. So what has happened in the market? Let us see now. So our lines are gradually getting formed. Yeah, our lines got formed. See, the moment it formed, Immediately in a 2 to 3 minute, okay, it went up. It went up to other zone. So here we will be ready because we know already these lines are formed immediately after market is opened. So we are ready that when the market is coming down, if the market is coming down first to 37,455 range, then immediately we will take either 37,400 call option or 37,300 call option or 37,200 call option, or if you want out of the money, you can take 37,700 call option or 37,500 call option. Anything you can take. If you are an option seller, then you can sell 37,400 put option or 37,300 put option or 37,200 put option. How I am saying this strike price? It is from here. See here, three lines are here. These three lines. So I am reading from these three lines values. So if you just follow this by choosing the strike price, immediately you will get very good profit. Okay, I will remove this, leave it. So immediately we got the profit. But actually this is not our target. This level is not our target. But if you want to book a big profit, that is 1:2 ratio or 1:3 ratio, that also you can book. Otherwise, if you want 1:1 ratio, go here and select first buy targets. So now this will be your first target. This will be your first target and this will be your second target. Now I'm running the market again. See here, it went up to exactly our first target, then it went up to exactly our second target. So exactly it went up to our second target, which is equivalent to 1:4 ratio. So after that, what happened? Market has reversed. Market has reversed. So here we have to apply some price action method. So what price action method we can apply? We have been teaching you one important price action, that is R3C. So you all know what is R3C. There should be one rejection and there should be one confirmation. And these three combination will work very well in whenever it is in buy zone or whenever it is in the sell zone. And another important thing what you have to note, if you want to avoid loss, big loss, sir, I cannot afford these many points of loss because I'm trading in 1000 lots, I'm trading in 2000 lots. So I want to take only one trade at a day. I don't want to go for the reverse trade also. Okay, see the market how it is moving. So first buy got activated, all targets hit, sell got activated, again target hit, again buy got activated, first target hit, again buy activated, first target hit, and it is going almost to second target. It reached the sell zone. It is not able to break the sell zone. So let us see what will happen to the market. So let the market run. So see here again, once again we got the almost second target also second time we have got. So how many times you are getting the profit? So now the midpoint, red color point, is the another resistance. So whenever market is inside the sell zone, this zone, inside, whenever market is inside the sell zone, you should be in the sell only. Whenever market is inside this buy zone, you should be in the buy only. This is the second method. The first method, you should be ready with the advanced pending order. This will be your buy entry. This will be your SL. If buy activated, you have to wait for the target. Suppose if not given, then you have to go for the reversal entry, double lot. So that is our default system. There is no changes in it. And if you are afraid that, sir, I don't have money to take double lot in the reversal entry, so then you can go for only one entry in a day. What is the only one day, only one entry? See here, whenever market is coming here and touching, while it is crossing back, when it is taking the what we call reversal, find out any price action pattern or R3C, or can immediately take as per the number what is given here, number. Unless it is not closed below this line and low of that candle is broken, you don't have to go for the sell entry. I repeat, unless the market is not closed below this sell buy zone and low of this candle is not broken, you don't have to go for the sell entry. Similarly here, so this is our sell zone. Suppose assume that you have sold here and you will be by defaultly you will be keeping the stop loss above the zone, above the zone. So what you can do, wait for the confirmation. Let's just see if any candle is closing above this level. Unless the high of that candle is broken, don't go for the buy, because there is a high chances of reversal from this zone. Once again, I repeat, when the market is coming down and entering to our zone, you can either immediately take the entry, otherwise you can wait for any price action confirmation like R3C. Keep it in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whichever minutes you want. And your stop loss will be, this will be your stop loss. But there are many chances that it will come and hit, then it will reverse back, because this is our demand zone. Okay, this is our demand zone. So possibility of coming and touching, then immediately reversing back is highly possible. So what you have to do, unless any candle is closed below this zone and low of that candle is broken, don't exit your position. Don't go for the sell entry. Similarly here, when the market has entered here, you will be taking immediately entry with this stop loss. That is also good, no problem. And second pattern, if you want to avoid the loss, if you are afraid of losing money, wait until market is closing above this level and high of that candle is broken. Don't go for the sell entry and don't go for the buy entry and don't exit the sell entry. So hope this is clear now. There is no doubt. Just a 4-line statement. When the market opened in the morning, either it has to go upper side or it has to come downside. If it is coming downside, you can take according to the price, whatever it is given here. Okay, there is no change. And the bottom line will be your stop loss. For safety, you can keep some buffer value also as a SL. Whatever the buffer, extra buffer you are keeping, you can add those points in the target. You can add those points in the target. This is one method. Another method, if it is coming down and if it is in the zone, unless it is not broken the low of that zone and unless it is not closed below that zone and low of that candle is not broken, don't go for the sell entry and don't exit the buy entry. Same concept applicable for the sell zone. What about this black line? So this is our third sell zone. When the market is breaking this level, that is our first buy zone, and it is going beyond the level, so from where it will reverse? Exactly from here it has to reverse. So this is our third sell zone. I show you when it has happened like this. Just 3 days before, what happened in the market? See here, market went up, first sell activated, SL hit here, not a SL hit, first sell activated here. Okay, then immediately target hit perfectly. Then it went up, second buy activated, here also target hit. If I enable, you will be able to see second buy targets. See here exactly target hit. So after that, it went up to sell entry that is a third sell zone, but it could not break this level. From there it has reversed. And here we have got a wonderful price action pattern, that is an R3C, and we could have taken entry here. We could have taken entry here. If we miss that level, we have second sell zone also. See here, second sell zone. So it has entered into second sell zone. I show you with the tiny SL because it is very big for the bank nifty keeping big SL, no, small SL. Come here. So exactly entered into second sell zone. It could not break the levels, then it is coming now. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. Always when you are starting your trade, keep it in default settings. And I have kept small SL and small target for your convenience. So whichever risk you want to take, if you want to take only small SL, you can take it, and below lesser than small SL, that is tiny SL also, you can keep it. See, every day we are getting perfect entry. See here, there is a 6th April perfect entry from here to here, again from there to here. Yesterday, from yesterday sell activated, target hit, again buy activated, target hit, buy activated, target hit, sell activated, target hit, buy activated, target hit, again sell activated. It is coming down now. So this not only today, previous day also same thing happened. This is why I said, see here today, that is on 5th April. Sell activated, buy activated, immediately market is not going upside. So it has reached the buy zone. None of the candle has been closed. Here, you all please carefully. None of the candle has been closed below this level. None of the candle. So all the candle has been closed above this level. And here we have got one R3C. It means what? We should not exit our position when we are in the buy zone, because none of the candle has been closed below this level. Now again buy activated as per the R3C here, and this will be our stop loss, and see very good profit we have got. Again once again we got the sell entry here as per the R3C, and IIT points we have given. See here, from exactly from the IIT points, the market has been reversed. So all the possibilities of a reversal session has been added in our indicator, single tool. It will change your life. If you are properly following and applying a small knowledge of price action, you will get a wonderful profit. Again, you see here, market has reached here and it has broken our sell zone. Market has closed above, and we got the second buy entry target here, and from the third sell zone we got the entry, and from there exactly market has fallen drastically. It has fallen. So how many points we have got? From 38,765 to 38,078. So almost 700 points you have got the profit as per our sell zone. So this sell zone is very powerful because we have bolded this buy zone also very powerful. So these pivot points you will never get. This is like a pivot points only. So if you know how to trade using pivot points, the indicator will be helpful for you. Again, see here, first sell activated, target hit, it went up, second buy. Then here we got a small profit from here. What is the value? 36,993 to 36,904. 100 points we got the profit. Once it is broken our third sell zone, see next day we got very gap up opening. So that is the power. And see here, sell activated, targets hit. The market was very ranging, but we got the entry, we got the profit. How many times we got the entry? Here we got the entry, again we got the entry, again, and here also again we got the entry, here also we got the entry. And today, that is on 30th March also, we got the entry, SL was safe, and we got half of the profit. That is 1:1 profit. You see here exactly, it has touched this line and it has reversed up. And here this is the place. What you have to do? Suppose if you have exactly kept this point as stop loss, then there is a possibility of hitting the SL. So that's why we have changed the method itself. So this we should consider as the buy zone. Unless any candle is closed below this level and low of that candle is broken, you can be confident that it is a buy trend. Similarly here, unless the market is broken and closed above the sell zone and high of that candle is broken, you can be in the sell zone safely. See here we perfectly got the buy entry. In the next candle itself we got the target, and once again we got the buy entry and very good profit we have got. And here buy entry we have got. So at the 3 o'clock something we got the profit. So here we got the sell entry. So it was in the sell zone only, and immediately all the targets have been achieved. Again buy activated, first target hit. So here buy activated, candle closed below the level, SL hit, then we got the second sell entry here and we got the target also. Again in the third buy zone, buy activated, we got the target. So it is very simple. Every day we are getting the profit. See here, every day you can backtest the data for so many years if you are a premium members, and if you are a free user you can backtest for minimum 4 to 6 years. See here on 15th March market opened here and we got the buy entry. Here we got the buy entry, exactly it reached the sell zone. Again it from the sell zone it has come down to our third buy zone, and from there market has reversed. So here buy not activated, entered into sell zone. Here we got a small profit, again it closed above the zone, then second buy activated, target hit, from the sell zone it has reversed, third sell zone it has reversed. See here, this is the another example that in such cases we should not go for the second buy immediately because none of the candle has been closed above this level. So if you are keeping in 15 minutes, you will get very less number of trades. If you are keeping in small time frame, you will get more trade. So hope this is clear in the Bank Nifty, the same script I have been explaining you. So now let me show you other script, Kotak. So the same concept is in stock also it is working very well. So if you are a stock traders, just to take 100 share. So if you have taken 100 share here, see here market has come down only to the midpoint of our zone. Then from there it has reversed and it has reached to our sell zone. So from 1762 to 1785. So almost 25 points you have got the profit. So if you have taken 100 share also, you will be getting some 1000 rupees profit. 2000 rupees profit you will be getting. If you have taken 1000 lots, 1000 share, you will get very good profit. So every day you can do like this. So previous day you see the Kotak, same Kotak, it went up and sell activated, it came down to buy zone. Again buy activated, it went up to sell zone. Again sell activated, it came down to buy zone. See here, perfectly it is trading only in between our buy zone and the sell zone. It is not going beyond our level. Okay, and the previous day buy activated, we went up to sell level, sell activated, from there to it came down to buy level. If you are only buyer, then take only whenever it is crossing the buy zone, go for the buy. Whenever it is crossing the second buy zone, go for the buy. Okay, this is the way you can do. So when it is crossing first sell zone above level, you can go for the buy. When it is crossing first sell zone below level, you can go for the sell. So every day you will get this kind of profit without any issue. Okay, thank you all. If you want me to show other script also, I can show you. I show you in CRUDEOIL. So all the script you can check, because it is not a repainting indicator, it will always work for you. So I will add one more zone, that is second sell zone and second buy zone. Just for explanation, I am taking this. See here. So market has opened and it was playing somewhere here and there. Then at 6:30 it reached exactly to our second sell zone. From there market has fallen very good drastically. So how many points we are getting? 7422 to 7283 as per the target, but low made below that level. So almost 200 points we have got in a single entry. Almost 200 points in a single entry we have got. The risk is very small. The risk is very small. So you can reduce this risk also. So go here and you can keep tiny SL. And for MCS we have to keep day time frame. Don't forget. See in daily time frame, the sell entry was 7425 and the high made was 7430. Here you can see the high of the candle 7430. So it went only 5 points extra after our sell entry is got activated. And if you want to see some confirmation, what you have to do in this candle, you have to see this candle is the rejection of candle at 6:30. This candle is our rejection of candle. Immediately we got one confirmation candle. Now we have to mark the high of this candle and low of this candle. Once this low is broken, you have to go for the sell entry. And what will be your first target? The range, whatever is the range between your entry and the SL. Okay, that will be your first target. Similarly, the same range is the second target, and you can keep on adding the targets. So don't forget, once you booked the first target or once the market has reached the first target, keep your stop loss to cost to cost. Keep your stop loss to cost to cost. Once it reaches second target, keep your stop loss to at first target. Once it reaches third target, keep your stop loss to second target, and you can keep on trailing your stop loss until you are happy with the profit whatever you have gained. And if you want any live demo and if you want any monthly subscription, so now we have started to give a monthly subscription. We have stopped giving lifetime validity. So now hereafter you will be getting only based on the monthly subscription only. So whoever wants to subscribe, they can contact us in this number. Here it is given 9500009154. So our executives will attend your calls and they will give you demo if you want. Only serious buyers, please contact us. Please don't waste our time. So after watching demo for 1 hour, 2 hour, asking thousands of questions, don't say my capital is only 5,000 rupees. What can I do? If your capital is 5,000 rupees, please do not come to share market. Only if you are having at least 50,000 rupees, only you can invest some amount to equip yourself, to educate yourself, then come to trading market. Otherwise, please don't go and do some other work. Don't lose your capital. If you ask any other script in live market also, I can show you. Whatever script you want, that script I can show you. No issue. And you can see the once the lines are formed, it will never change. So whatever dates you want to see, that you can see. See, suppose say I'm going back to some randomly I'm going back to February 2021 4th. February 2021 here. That time market was around 5,600. So let us see what happened that day. I will keep it in 15 minutes time frame. So then only the candlestick pattern will be easier to see. This is 1st April 2022. So I'm going back to some random 2020 December I'm taking. So that time where the market was, I think 3000. See here. Not available. I will choose some other date. This is last available bar. I will show you another account. So this is the trial premium account, one more account I have. So there we can test everything. So now I will go back couple of months, then I show you the status of the market. I will take May 13. Okay, just for testing purpose only. So that also not coming. So I'm taking the other account. So let me see this. Just I'm checking couple of months back whether it is possible to see or not. So what is the username? IIT school. It is the password. Password. So I have some extra securities so that I may not be cheated. 560939. Okay, coming to chart. Selecting Nifty Bank, and I'm going back to some random dates. May 13 only that day is selected. No, I'm selecting. So that time where the market price was, it was around 32,948. Okay. So now I'm adding my indicator. MST iCore 2.0. Yeah, see here. It is available. The lines are not changed. I show you some example for you. See here. It is on 6th May 2021. 6th May 2021. Yeah. So here exactly market has come down to buy entry. And it went up. We have got the target. So here market has come down. Just a wick we have got. And the candle is not closed below. We got the entry. Then we got the sell entry also. Then we got the target. Again sell entry. Again target. Next day we got the buy entry. We got the target. So whatever date you take, whatever testing you want to do, all test you can do. Sorry, I forgot to say this. So we have kept in T time frame. We should keep in 360. It is advisable. So if you are happy with Day time frame also you can trade, no issue, right? Any time frame you can follow. Because why we are using 360? Someday we are missing our perfect entry. Someday we are missing our perfect entry. See here, we got perfectly sell entry and it has reached perfectly to our buy entry. And again we got the perfect buy entry and we have reached perfectly to the sell entry. So market is exactly following. It is, we can say it is obeying to our indicator. So if market has opened here, it came down. So everyone what they will think, market is going in the negative side. We have to go for the sell entry. They will buy put option here. They will wait for 2 to 3 candles to close. So after that, when the low is broken, they will go for the sell entry. But what happened to market? It has reached back. Then they will say, okay, the day high is broken. When the day high and PDH something is broken, we should go for the buy entry. They will think. When they will buy call option. Again, what happened to market? It has reversed. Then they will think, okay, the day low also broken. Then we have to go for the sell entry. But market has bounced back. So here also they have lost. Here also they have lost, and here also they have lost. So whenever they are going for the buy entry, it will go in sell side. Whenever they are in a sell side, they will go in the buy side. They will think that someone is watching you. It is not so. It is not the character of the market. The character, the behavior of the market is as per our indicator. And another thing, see here, buy activated here. Exactly, it has reached our sell entry. Again, from there, it has reached our buy entry. Again, we have got some target. If you want to see the target also, I can add. So I'm adding here first to buy targets. See here, perfectly, the target is hit. Third time also. The fourth time, market has broken the buy zone, closed the below the level. Then once the low of that candle is broken, we should go for the sell entry. So that also I will enable and show you. Second sell target. See here, perfectly second sell target also hit. So whatever trade you take as per our indicator, you will never lose your capital. You must be gaining some profit. But the expectation is important. So if you are making 1% daily profit in your capital, that is very, very good. So if you're having 10 lakhs rupees capital, if you're making 10,000 in a day, it is enough. Don't expect every day 1 lakh rupees, 3 lakh rupees. So that's all. That's about today. If you any script you ask me in the live market, I show you. So we are planning to come online live in YouTube from Monday onwards. So by using our indicators, you all can check in the live market. You can trade in live market also. Thank you all. If you want to go for a monthly subscription, please contact us and our team will be very happy to help you. And if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please also subscribe. And if you want to know further details, you can join our free Telegram group also named MST School of Trading. So all those information will be available there. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy profitable days ahead.